I'm back with another video. If you're new, thank you for tuning in, and if you are an oldie but goodie, thank you for coming back to watch my video. So I am here today just to show you guys this makeup look. This is the look that I did in my Melt That Lace video that is now up to 105k views. Woo woo. So I did ask you guys in the comments, did you want me to recreate the look, or just basically do the look over and show you guys what I use. So I filmed that video the night of Super Bowl, which is February 2nd. It is now August, so I don't remember what shadows I used, but I did have a general idea because I do go back and forth between 4 palettes that have nothing but crazy colors in them, and those are my go-to palettes. So I pulled out my NYX Ultimate and my Morphe 12P palette, and I was able to find the colors that I used back then in February to recreate this look. If you guys think that the look looks a little different than the Melt That Lace video, it's because back in February my makeup technique wasn't as advanced or different as it is now, so the look may look more intense, more blended, and that's because I have been practicing and I know what to do now to get my makeup to look more intense and super blended out. So that's why you guys may think that it looks a little different, but these are the same exact colors and eyeliners that I used back in that video. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into how I recreated this look from my Melt That Lace video. So guys, all that I did off camera was put on my Ardell 252 lashes. These are my new faves. In the Melt That Lace video, you may think that my lashes look different, and they do. That's because I was using my NYX Wicked WL16 lashes that you guys always hear me talk about. But my new faves are these Ardell 252s. I found them in Ulta. That is really the only difference. I just have different lashes on, and I feel like these lashes are more flattering than the NYX Wicked WL16s. These are $2 cheaper, and I feel like they look better. They're not heavy. So these are my faves for right now. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys stick around for more videos, and don't forget to check out that Melt That Lace video. Like I said, it is at 105k views right now. I am so excited and so elated that you guys went and watched my video, and it has so many views. So don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.